Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gehi and you are watching Sangeet. Today we are going to speak about a very interesting issue, and we are going to speak about the H1B Visa program. As you all rightly know that the H1B cap will be opening up in the month of April. Therefore, it is very important for people who are considering to get sponsored on the H1B program to speak to their employers. The law requires that in order for you to qualify for the H1B program, you need to have the minimum attainment of a bachelor's degree from the United States. Sometimes, if you do not have a bachelor's degree, you can get an equivalency, and under the equivalency program, you can still qualify for an H1B visa. For example, under the H1B visa program, 3 years of work experience is equal to 1 year of education. So this means even if you do not have a bachelor's degree from the United States, you may still qualify provided you can show that your degree is equivalent to that of a United States. The easiest way for me to do this today is to explain to you as to how this works. Let's take a simple example. If you have a 3-year bachelor's degree from the UK or from India, can you qualify? The answer may be yes, because if you can show that you have more than 3 years of experience in that particular area, then your 3 years of work experience can be computed towards the 1 year degree, and this will give you 4 years. Means your 3-year degree plus your 3 years of work experience, which is equal to 1 year of education, can still qualify you for the H1B visa program. There are some other important factors for you to consider. The law requires that you perform this job in a specialty occupation. As mentioned earlier, a specialty occupation is an occupation which requires the minimum attainment of a bachelor's degree, and it is a job which should require a bachelor's degree. Now let's take a very, very simple example. If you are a master's degree holder and if you are working in a restaurant as a hostess, does this mean that you can qualify for the H1B program? No, because the job of a hostess does not require a bachelor's degree. It is very important for people who are planning to get the H1B visas to speak to the employers at this point of time. This is important because we have 65,000 visas under the regular quota, plus we have 20,000 for individuals who obtained the master's degrees from the United States. So therefore, in light of the fact that the quota is very limited, it's going to be on a first come first basis, and it's going to be a lottery program. Let me clarify. If you are lucky, you will qualify under the program, which means that if your visa gets picked, then you qualify under the H1B program. Who should consider an H1B? For example, if you're a student who has graduated and you have a sponsor who is willing to consider your qualifications and apply for the H1B visa program, you need to speak to them as soon as possible. Or if you're on a visitor's visa, or if you're on any legal visa in this country, and if your skills are in demand, please speak to your employer. And if you have any further questions, the law officers of NM Gehi will be more than happy to assist you with the entire H1B. This is attorney Naresh Gehi, and I request if you have any further questions, email us at www.immigrationquestion.com. We shall be back again with some more news from the world of immigration.